Hello, everyone. My name is Sheikh. Thanks for joining the today's live stream. So I'm actually heading the Bybit Learn, and today I'm going to be hosting the live stream. Today, the topic is for a new product release that we have on Bybit, which is presented to you by the Learn team from Bybit. We take education quite seriously, and we notice that like we would like to help our users navigate the space when they are looking forward to participate in the Bybit trading products. So what we came up with was an idea of like, why don't we collaborate with our trading team and create a product which is going to be very useful for all of you in terms of starting the journey. If you don't understand how to trade, what to trade, how to use the products for Bybit trading, this live stream will be for you. Today, I'll be joined by two of my colleagues. I'll be inviting Lance from our DBU team. Hey, Lance, welcome to the stream.
Hi, Sheikh.
Hello. And the second will be Phoebe. So Phoebe works quietly with me in Bybit Learn team, and this product would not have been possible without both of these people. So yeah, very very happy to start with a quick introduction of the Growth Center. So maybe let's start with a quick introduction of the Growth Center. Why do we name it this product as a Growth Center? So the Growth Center, it has like a very important meaning to it. Why do we launch this product? As I mentioned before, is that we created this product from scratch to ensure that we can transfer the knowledge to the user while connecting this knowledge with our Bybit products. So when you start with the Growth Center, first of all, we also have an incentive. So you can make up to $80. So you actually get benefited for your learnings and for your education. And meanwhile, you also get to see a very clear product roadmap that we have laid out for you. So when you see Bybit products that are very technical in a regular day and you want to participate, but you are not sure how to use them and how to interact with them, I think Growth Center will be acting as a pivotal tool in your learning journey to ensure that you understand and you actually do informed decisions while trading. So Lance, I wanna give the floor to you because this was a collaborative idea, and I want to understand from your perspective as well some of the key areas that we took along while we started up this particular initiative. So we give the audience a bit more of the background why we came up with this product and who is this product is for and why and how it will help them to get started with trading as a whole and with Bybit products for sure, as a nutshell.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Sheikh. Hi, everyone. This is Lance from DBU team. For the derivatives part, we want to show you why we designed this task, and we want to teach you how to avoid some risk from every trade. Uh, in this hub, we can grow with demo trading because we want to use the virtual funds and stay your fund stay your capital in safe and before you get your real first trade. First trade, you can know what is the derivative, what is the contract, and the mechanics about this product. Yeah, and then in the next, we want to show you how to set take profit and stop loss, and we can get use every we can from every trade and build your safety net first. Yeah, that's the important things we want to show you. Yeah.
Amazing, thank you so much. And I think when you say about because again you come from the derivatives team, and we have a combination, by the way, for the audience here. So in the Growth Center, you also see the learnings but for not only for the derivatives, but also for the spot products as well. So we kind of made a mixture between spot and derivative product offerings to give you a complete nutshell of learning how you can use the products while also learning about some key areas, as Lance mentioned, like taking the profit at the right time, how to book a stop loss if you think the trade is not going in your direction, and also try to make sure that how do you do a proper risk management as a strategy. As a nutshell, Growth Center also gives you a very clear way around. So once you are ready in your trading journey and you have seen that you have actually completed tasks in the spot products and also in the derivative products, you can actually learn throughout your journey and then also participate in some of our campaigns that our campaign team offer. So Learn Growth Center does not only stop in terms of like teaching you about the trading product, but actually goes far beyond that and gives you a complete holistic educational understanding of what Bybit product is in a nutshell, how to use it effectively, and not only Bybit, but overall, when you actually start with a trading journey, how to execute that. Because I think the path that we have designed in this particular nutshell, which Phoebe will present now in a bit, will pretty much give you a whole understanding of how we have taken the layered and layered approach to give the several tiers a complete journey of how to get started to well advanced in terms of like the advanced topics like position sizing, risk management, and all the other advanced techniques that uh, you will be learning inside the Growth Center. So without further delay, I will invite Phoebe um, from our team to kind of give you guys a complete demo for the Growth Center product within Bybit Learn. And then she will also tell you about the reward distribution, about the learning curve and journeys, and all the other areas that will be easily navigatable inside the product journey. So without further say, Phoebe, I want to invite you to give a quick intro about yourself, and let's start with the quick sharing of the Growth Center product.
Okay, thank you, Shaq. Hi everyone. Here's Phoebe, the senior content strategist from Bybit Learn. Okay, so today I'm very happy to be here to introduce something that we have been working for a long time, for a while. That is the Learn Growth Hub. So I want to add a little bit more information based on Shaq's introduction. So for this one, actually, this is the main page, and if you have a look at it, I want to say that it's not just another campaign. It's a system designed to help the users to go from zero to actually being able to trade with confidence. So instead of figuring everything out by the user themselves, they just need to follow the task, level up step by step, and then learn while you trade. So we built this because we saw a real problem for the users on trading platform. So they after they sign up, some of the users they don't know what to do next, and they just dropped off. So there was no bridge between learning and actual trading. So that is why Growth Hub is created. We want to build a bridge between learning and trading. Okay, so here I will have a brief introduction of this product. So here you can see we totally have 5 levels from entry level all the way to an ongoing monthly or even weekly reward, and also the campaigns which you can earn more. And even level, each level is designed for a specific stage of your trading journey. So the tasks get more advanced as you go higher level up. The skills you build also get deeper, and the rewards you can see here, except for the explorer, because for this one some of the rewards are exclusive for the new users. So except for the first level, actually the higher level you got, the higher rewards you can get. So and these are real rewards, immediate rewards. What you see is what you get, and no complicated conditions, no waiting games. So here's the best part: if you are a new user, totally you can get around 80 USDT in total rewards by finishing all the tasks. And if you are an existing user, you can also learn more and still up to 40 USDT waiting for you. Okay, so here are the levels. This is the first entry. This is the level 0, the entry level. So this one is designed for brand new users. We can see who just sign up for on Bybit. And here, because I already finished some of the tasks, so I'm not a new user, so it's not showing here. But actually, there are exclusive tasks for new users, like finish your identity verification. You can get 20 USDT, and also after finish a first time deposit for 100, you can also get another 20 USDT. And this level is designed to get the users activated. So before you can trade, you need your account set up and your first sense of what crypto trading looks like, both for spot and derivatives. So these tasks are very beginner friendly. So you can complete your identity verification, make a first time deposit, and you can do very easy read to earn courses on spot and derivatives by crypto while convert. And also you can try demo trading to practice futures at zero risk, which is very good for the beginners. So after finishing all of this, new users, you can get up to 50 USDT, and existing user you can still get 10 USDT. So this is the first level, and then next level for level 1, this is for beginner. That means the users who have activated their accounts and are ready to place their first real trades. So here I will change to another account. Wait for a moment. Okay.
So while Phoebe is actually switching the screens, yeah. So one thing which is very cool, and what you need to know is, like, when you get started, yeah, on the level 0. So we have got some tasks for you. So when you're a new user, you can start interacting with the growth center. So you already get the welcome reward gift, which we have actually included inside the growth center to facilitate your journey. So while you get the onboarded, you can actually get some real rewards. So while you practice on even level 0, if you still think that you have learned something and you want to participate in any of the real trading except demo, you can also do that with the funds that you have just received as a reward. Phoebe, you can share.
Yeah. Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, it's coming up.
Okay.
It's gone again. It's coming now. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, okay, perfect. Okay, so then let's come to the beginner level. So this level is designed for users who have activated their account and are ready to place their let's say first real trades. So this one we designed it to lower the psychological barrier. So a lot of people, they know how to trade in theory, but they are still afraid to actually do it, like what I was like 1 year ago. So level 1, this level is about getting you comfortable, introducing you to smart tools, and making sure that you trade safely. So you can explore some trading tools, very simple, like Trade GPT for AI powered market insights. And also you can try out a DCA strategy to build positions steadily over time. And also you can learn how to set take profit and stop loss on your contracts. So this, we want to help you to get a grounding in basic risk control. So this simple task can help you build real confidence. This is for the first level. And for level 2, this is we can see it's an immediate level. This level is designed for users who already made their first trades and are ready to explore more products and strategies. So here, going from I can trade to I know what I'm doing. This is where you start and using the tools that professional traders are using. So here you can see there are some basic trading tools you can try, like DCN, great copy trading, and also maker taker orders, margin models, and funding rates. So later you can explore more here on this page. For this level, we want you to experience more products on Bybit, and we want you to experience more deeply. And the rewards also reflect what you have done, you have put. And the next level is level 3. This is for advanced traders, and for the users with solid trading experience who are ready to operate at a professional level. So this one, we want you to trade with real strategy and full control. So you are no longer just, let's say, reacting to the market, but you are managing like positions using some higher advanced tools, and also think about risk adjust returns. So on this level, you can try some tasks like advanced order types like iceberg, and TWAP, using options to hedge your futures positions, trading with IFQ for large block orders. So if you don't know this kind of terms, is okay. Later, after you finish all the tasks, and then you can get to know all of them step by step. And then after finishing all the tasks, you can get each badge for each level, and finally can get a authorized certificate from our Bybit platform, to show that you finish all the courses and you are a very confident and advanced trader. And then at last, in this level, I want to make it more mysterious. I won't tell you what is it. You will see more chances and more reward on this level after you finish all the levels. So whether you are never traded before, or you already been on Bybit for years, there is a level in Growth Hub that built for where you are right now. So for new users, again, you can get up to 80 USDT, and for existing users, you can get 40 USDT. And after you finish all the levels and come to the last level, you can still get more on our platform. So that's Growth Hub, and if you haven't started, don't hesitate. Just this is the best time. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments. Okay, that's all. Thank you.
Thanks, Phoebe, for the detailed introduction about the growth hub. I think we have some interesting questions within the chat. And with that being said, and also I'm gonna just remind all of you, we're also giving away red packets today. So for 50 lucky winners, we'll be distributing up to 500 USDT in the red packets, which will be showing up on your screens. But yeah, like stay tuned till the end of the stream, and we'll be distributing that up. With that, we want to take some questions. Okay, so I would also divert some of the questions to Lance and to Phoebe, and maybe try answering some of them myself, because I also am actually managing the Learn product. So I really want to participate in the live stream as well. So number one, if I'm completely new, will I understand the challenges, or do I need to know trading already? Phoebe, I want you to answer the question.
Yeah, sorry, can you repeat the question again?
So the question is that the user says, I'm completely new, and will I understand the challenges, or do I need to know the trading already?
You don't need to know the trading already. This product is produced for everyone. As I mentioned, from the very beginning, from zero to advanced trader. So even if you don't know anything about, as long as you sign up on our platform, and then you can learn from the first step, from identity verification, and then step by step you will learn more and more trading skills, and then you will be more and more confident. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Second question, I think I will divert this to Lance. So Lance, the question from the user is like, what's the difference between the spot and the future challenges?
Yeah. First, I want to show you the difference about spot and futures. Futures have some leverage, just like some 10 times or 100 times. So there are more risks about in your future trade. So there is one thing, and the most important thing is get your risk control, and in your every one trade. Before you trade, we need to know what is liquidation and what is risk when you're trading in futures. So we need to setting the take profit and stop loss when you open a long or short trade in your trade. Yeah, that's the difference between spot and the future challenge.
Perfect. And I think I want to further elaborate on this one. Yeah. So in the spot trading, yeah, basically it's one to one, as Lance said. And with futures, you're actually taking leverage. So you're actually trying to take a bigger size of trade, bigger than your wallet. So it actually exposes you to some risk. And the more leverage you take, the higher the risk gets. So within the Learn Growth Center, we teach you as a trader how to manage your risk in accordance to your exposure to the market, because trading futures is also, it carries a high amount of risk, but it also is very fruitful in terms of profit taking, because when you do futures trading or leverage trading, it can end up giving you a very high profit, but you need to understand when to continue the trade and when to stop the trade, when to take the trade and when not to take the trade. And this all knowledge is actually scattered across the growth center for all of you. All right. The next one. Will the growth center recommend lessons based on the product I use? A very quick question, and I think I want to answer that because I had the Learn product. So I think I really wanted to create the best of the best product with collaboration with SPU, DBU, and our team. And I think they have worked very, very hard with all of our teams to kind of deliver this first pilot release of Growth Center to you. Um, so yeah, I mean, like, we are planning for future releases. Yeah, so this is not something which will be static with us. So we plan to build on top of the growth center. The growth center will not stop the way it is right now. We will keep on innovating, and we will be adding a lot of other angles of personalization on the growth center and overall the Learn product. Yeah, so you will be able to see such features in the next coming months, for sure. But for now, we have kept it quite simple. So the growth center, we have named it as also like growth and trade center. So it majorly focuses on the spot and future products for now. So it's quite simple. It's either spot or either future. But in the later future, when we have more diversification within the growth center for more products that Bybit offers, like traditional finance, like any other products like yield generation or DeFi or anything else, we'll be able to give you guys that particular feature to adapt the growth center with your product usage. So yeah, thanks for that question. Then we have, how long does it usually takes to move from level 0 to level 4? Phoebe, that's question for you. So how long it can take for a user to move from level 0 to level 4?
Okay, this depends on what is your current level. Because when we after the page going online, so our team members also try. For the very experienced advanced traders, they can finish within 1 day. And for the medium traders, usually it takes them like 2 to 3 days. You can also have some rest. It's not like you you do the task every minute. And for the beginners, it will take some time. Yes, because first you need to learn to check the articles and also watch the videos to learn, understand, and then you do step by step. So average based on the user's feedback, it takes like half a month to 1 month. So which means within 1 month you can grow from a zero to advanced user. And during the whole process, if you have any questions, we have a very strong and big help center team members. You can reach out to them, and you can even ask them further questions about the products and the anything you want to ask, and they will give you a good answer and good guidance. Yeah.
Perfect. Perfect. Thanks for that answer. And finally, we have a last question for today. Will Growth Center teach the difference between cross margin and isolated margin? Yes, definitely, it will teach that, but I will let Lance take the question. Lance, the question is that, will the Growth Center teach the difference between the cross margin and isolated margin?
Yeah, of course, we will teach you the difference between cross margin and in-slot margin, and there are one article link to teach you the to show you the difference about this two different model. And after that, we will give you a task and make sure you have learned about this article and you can trade about it. And accept this question. And we are lots of tasks in every step. And we provide more article link to show you how it works, and how it trade in your journey. So it doesn't matter to how to worry about this difference. You can find everything in this in this growth hub, and you can trade it in safely, and trade it smarter, and trade it more interesting product. Yeah.
Amazing. Thanks, Lance. All right, I think that with that question answered, I think that concludes our live stream for today. Thanks for joining in, guys. The red packets will be flashing for you on the screen. So for lucky winners, we will be distributing 50. Lucky winners will be distributed the reward of 500 USDT coming up your screen right now. And with that being said, I really want to thank you all for joining the today's session. And with a promise, so we'll keep building on the learn side for sure, because that's one of our focus as a whole company as well, and from our leadership direction as well. So like pretty much aligned that we need to educate the users, and we want to make sure that you guys actually grow, and we give you the tools, the exact right tools that you can actually use to grow in this particular market and get your financial freedom. So in that particular context, our team, a Learn team, and also with collaboration with the trading business units like Spot, Futures, and in the future we'll be collaborating with more business units to give you the more and more comprehensive, personalized, as it actually was us today, as a personalized product for all of our users, so that they can actually use and make the most out of it. So your education, your winning, and your successful journey will pretty much define the success for us here at Bybit, to make sure that we give you the top-notch tools, but also give you the right education and right step-by-step guide to actually execute better with our tools and our products. With that being said, I'll be closing today's live stream. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Lance and Phoebe, thank you so much for joining today's stream, and thanks for the wonderful demo. And I will see you guys at the next one.
Thank you, Shaq.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks. Bye-bye, everyone.